Alright, so we've got grass hay, alfalfa, and some straw in here. So get these girls eating better. Well, just Oakley. Just Annie. She's not really eating very much, so, because she's got cold, and when they don't eat, their digestive tract doesn't warm them up like it's supposed to. So we're throwing a little bit more alfalfa, some straw hay in there. The straw hay has really no nutritional value. It's just a filler, really, and if she's full, she'll be breaking that down and she'll be putting off warmth in there, and that will warm her up, and then hopefully she'll get back to drinking. So we gave her some Suprise, and yeah, we fluffed up the hay, gave them some alfalfa, gave them a big chunk of, I didn't realize there's a hay string in there. I'll have to get that out. And yeah, well, tomorrow we'll give her some more Suprise. That should really help, and then should be good. So just gotta make it a couple more days and then it will warm back up. But right now it's snowing, and the weather has drastically dropped, like 30-40 degrees in the past 36 hours. So not uncommon for things to go off feed and water, but we don't really want that, so trying this. Well, you drink a little bit, huh? Is everybody snuggling? Well, I hate to make you guys get up, but have something for you. Like, sorry. Here, Annie. Annie. Don't go outside. Here. Look. Yeah, I came all the way back out here for this for you. Yeah. Pretty good, huh? You want some, Oakley? Dude, I came all the way back out here and it's freezing to give you this whole tube. Here. Okay, enough for you. Here. You have to use words. I see your dog. Your dog is ridiculous. I don't know why he did that. Missy Cooper, she doesn't want to play. Missy Cooper. Leave her be. Missy! Good girl, Mama. They will be big one day.
Well, I saw a Barbie. What are we did?
They're all girls. All 3 of them.
What? I hair on here. What I baby do that?
Oh, it looks like baby gooseneck? It does, doesn't it?
I did do that.